Yes, ready. Sir, I rise to support this bill, but I would like to submit a few suggestions. Stop. We are just at the corner of the 21st century, and the planning has to keep in mind not the requirements of the present century or the past century, but the requirements of the 21st century. Stop. I come from a peripheral town of Delhi, and we are already feeling the pinch of the expansion of Delhi. Stop. I have no hesitation in submitting that a peripheral towns of Delhi are already slums. Stop. The National Capital Region Planning Board will have to take this into account that initially the plans are to be formulated to convert the peripheral towns into modern towns with all civic amenities. Stop para. I would also like to submit that whenever industries have been allowed to start working round about Delhi in this capital region, they should be asked to observe all the norms to avoid environmental pollution. Stop this problem of pollution, particularly by industrial waste, is already creating problems for the countryside. Stop. If I look at these problems, then I feel that the expansion of Delhi can only be on the radial roads and in the linear direction. Stop. Round about Delhi, all the lands are practically most fertile. Stop. The villages are thickly populated. Whenever there is pressure on land or land is acquired for either colonies or for industrial plots, the position of the villagers is never taken into consideration. Stop. I would most humbly submit that if the land is to be developed for either colonization or for industrial development, the village whose land is to be acquired should first be converted into an ideal village with all the hygienic facilities, with all the civic facilities which are due to them, because if these facilities are not provided to them, whenever they will be surrounded by these colonies or industrial areas, they will have no option but to get themselves converted into slums. Stop. At the present moment, I know that particularly in the area on the Gurgaon side, the water shortage is so acute that in summer months the present population of that area is feeling the pinch very much. Stop. The power shortage is so much that we are getting power only for 6 hours in 24 hours. Stop. The pressure on Delhi is too much. Stop. I agree. Therefore, I feel that the planning should be first not in taking away the land and converting it into colonies or industrial plots, but in creating the basic amenities required for development like electric supply, water supply, roads and transport infrastructure stop.